It's a 1984 Jeep CJ8 Scrambler. Very nice turnkey car. New paint, custom bumpers front and rear, factory chrome wheels with oversized tires, as you can see. Has custom doors, the fiberglass ones that are actually pretty rare to find with the sliding windows. Have hard top. I also have the bikini top and the full soft top with the frame. So it has 3 roofs. Fairly clean in the bed here. You can see somebody welded one piece of sheet metal. And then Rhino lined it. Looks very nice. Body is very clean, very straight. There's no rust on it, obviously. Underneath it's got a solid frame on it. Floors are pretty good on it. And overall it's a very decent car. Starts right up, you can get in and drive it. Factory 4-speed car. 101,000 original miles on it. Got an all new dash piece also that's been repainted. Floors are pretty decent, like I said. Couple of small patches, but pretty decent shape. See, even down here is pretty good. Windshield has cracks in it, but I'm gonna have that replaced, so it's gonna have a new one. Stock steering wheel, stock shifters, factory 4-wheel drive. 4-wheel drive seems to engage. Overall, nice driver. Does need a few little things here and there, but they kind of all do. Start it up. It's got plenty of oil pressure. Voltage gauge is working. All the other gauges are working.